All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. So this morning we are going to spend time together on this particular video. Please give me your ear and make sure you like the video. Subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. Your comment is very, very vital, very, very important for us so that we can know your own take, your own suggestion or how you see the whole thing. Because this morning we are going to talk about the video of Nwayi Ocha in France. Ezenago yesterday says something very, very important based on the trending audio that is circulating on social media. All right. She claimed that she received that audio from the source before any other person. And she said that she intentionally refused to talk about that audio. And she don't want to escalate issue. According to her, that Obatobie said he don't want Saga to continue, that is not helping him. And she claimed something very, very, very funny, that she stopped Saga until COS made a post of her talking about her, I don't know the particular video, but that COS says something that happened in the cabinet that made her to come back again, continue with the saga. And that saga have actually leads people to lead some people astray. Like yesterday on our live broadcast, there's a guy called Innocent who is moving from platform to platform, showcasing his own idiocy. And that guy is a victim of Nwayi Ocha's saga. I don't blame Nwayi Ocha on that. I blame any grown-up man that choose to misbehave simply because you are listening or following Nwayi Ocha's program and you think that the best way to equip yourself is to take information from her and use it as something that is vital, something that is very crucial. It is always good for you to be man enough to stand on what you know, to believe in that thing that you know that is the truth. Now, I don't want to waste much time. Let us hear what she said here. Listen.
Anything saga. I'm up from it. Can we keep ourselves and the help of Batobie? Because that saga in Abba didn't name me and didn't go under our walk with Batobie. Under one I walk with him, which is the whole world, man. And that because they walk with Batobie. Okay, can they walk with Batobie? They know us.
Now, no longer Ngozi Hanematu Abubakar, no longer terrorist, no longer agent of Nigeria and all that. Now you realize that this agent, this terrorist, you have been calling her all this while, she's now, you realize that she worked with Obatobie. You have done more harm than good. It is not just because we want to make a content. It is what it is. Because you know that Obatobie is somewhere, and you know that where he is, he don't need to link anything to him as Ndobonigwe. When you are saying that Ngozi is this, is that, what do you actually trying to achieve? Because you saying that, you are indicting Obatobie indirectly. You know. That's the annoying part. It's not as if you are doing it unknowingly. You know. And listen from, because I want you to hear that. I can tell you what she said and just go, but let us hear from her. For some of us that don't like when sometimes, remove this woman here. Don't show her face. You need to calm down. You need to pipe low. Everything must not be the way you want. Watching this video will help you to know that it is not AI, it is not from latest story, it is real. This is a reality, it's a real thing. You can hear that directly from her. Not somebody told you, somebody said. I don't want to exaggerate. I just want you to hear direct from the source. Listen to her.
Social media may affect.
Okay.
Then that I will stop. Stop.
Lie. You see? Pure lie. Which then, we have to stop. When did you stop? Please, when did you stop? Answer that, because I know many of you that are watching the video that if you're going to watch the video later or you're watching it once I publish it, anytime you come across the video, please ask yourself this question: is there any time this woman stopped saga? Is there any time? Please let me, because last time I checked, you said you received audio from PM, message, not audio. I don't know the shape of the message. I don't know the source of your message, but you told us that the PM called you. I don't know if you are the one called or he called you, but whatever you heard from PM, according to you, I don't believe that. You said that you talked to PM, told you saga should stop. Okay, did you stop? Because 2 days after you said that, you commenced with your saga, and you want to act as if you started, you went back to saga, you started saga again because you are reacting based on what CS posted live from Peter of Hell. Live. Listen.
It was a way to meet that. Can you open up? You open up that now. Ocha the saga continue.
How can she want saga to continue? Is she the one that started saga in the first place? She's not the one. The first time you made it clear that you are against COS and the USB was when you said that you kicked against self-defense. You remember? I'm talking about the one public. A lot of things could have happened in the cabinet meetings. Nobody knows that. But when you came out and begin to talk about kicking against self-defense publicly, I actually expect you to kick against it when Ogekere said the same thing, but you did not. You pretend that you did not hear that. It doesn't matter. That is hypocrite. And like I said, you did. Yesterday I said something on my live broadcast that some of us join cabinet or join government. Some of our people, all right, not all. They even not government. Maybe not only US government, USB government. It could be Ogekere group because they're not government. What they are is just get together, like. You understand? Gathering of family friends. I don't see that as any sensible, reasonable, organized group. They're just there. But even in that they're missed. Some people are there to get close to Ogekere, then go back, form group or cabal with potential enemy of Ogekere and their group, then come back to Ogekere and dictate what they want. If they didn't get it, they will not use their friends that they have built to attack Ogekere. That's why you hear people, oh, yesterday you were praising us, now you are against us. This is how it starts. Many of us are like that. They build two things. One, friendship. The other one is sabotage. If they come to you and in the name of friendship and tell you what they want, if you refuse to give them what they want, they will not bring sabotage in the name to push you away. If they succeed to push you away, they cannot continue from where you stop. That's the problem. And why Ocha is a good example of that. So here had them all.
Because I feel that no punishment will be enough. And then while I'm going to check out to be important, so that's called continue her damage.
Remember, she said that she's no longer attack and stop propaganda and saga. What did she just done now? What have you just done? You just said that you don't want saga anymore, but you're here, you are claiming that no punishment will be enough. Meaning that you still want people to believe that she's the reason why Obatobe is where she is, where he is. She's the reason why Obatobe is where he is, and she don't want him to come out. The question is she the one that put Obatobe there? If yes, then when did you know this? When did you start thinking that way? Because last time we checked, immediately after Biafran redeclaration, you are very, very close to PCOS. You were in and out of USB government. You know everything. You are part and parcel of the government. So what has changed? When that intel that you claim you have, where did you get it from? We watched you also when you said that Ogekere is the one that puts Obatobe where he is. Where is your evidence to those things? There's a difference between you think or you feel or you are assuming that Ogekere may know what happened. Like me, I said when Ogekere quickly changed the document, by the time he changed it, everybody have every reason to think that Ogekere may. I'm not saying that I have evidence to may know what happened to Obado, because how can you change the rigging registration at that time, September 16th? You changed it in a haste. You paid even more to the office that is responsible of changing the document, or that take charge of that such document in Maryland. So why did he change it in that month? And in a month interval, few weeks interval, PM has been taken. He paid for express to get it done faster. That is where my suspicion started. So where did your own suspicion start? You cannot just say that she want to punish Obatobie. She have not punished Obatobie. You know, she want to punish Obatobie more. She want to punish Obatobie the more. Those things can only come out when you have something to justify that. But you don't have anything. That is propaganda, madam. That is what is called propaganda. And you started by saying Obatobie don't want it. What are you doing? You are still doing propaganda. But now you are weak. That's just the fact. You are not getting tired of it because you have realized that you couldn't buy enough people, you couldn't convince enough people. You are somehow stranded, and you must stand somewhere to earn some respect. That is what you are trying to do, but which it is too late. Way too late. Listen.
Then for me to fulfill my message, when somebody called my attention,
No man.
that
Liars.
sending them that thing.
You are, this is another lie they often tell their friends. Somebody called your attention. Just say that you watched it. It seems like I'm one out of few people that have that kind of belief that you have to say it the way it is. Honestly, because I've seen many people, and somebody called my attention. Somebody told me, "Why don't you say if somebody tells you something?" Like I told us when I the video that I did from about Biafra Unite, where he talked about Humble Lion and other, which later caused some issue, right? That video, somebody told me that Rebel say something like this. So going to Rebel, I myself went to Rebel's platform to see that. I couldn't get hold of the video. I was searching different video until I managed to locate it. I did not tell you that somebody sent it to me. You just say, because why they're saying that is to put themselves, like they're too busy, too special. That's how this lie starts. Mpako Obulozo that gets Ocha. Listen.
I don't follow her.
You don't follow her.
I just nature
liars. It wasn't spiritualistic, isn't it? Or who is that person? Why don't you mention the person? Negative.
See, okay. And I pipe low. Mama, Onya na Abuebu na Zonia. Our angel, you go Butuzor Nugi.
Now, did she pipe low? The answer is no. We did not pipe low. Because that one you are talking about is not on social media. That's what you guys told us. So you are the one who have the direct contact. Probably you have contact. You contact the person and let them know. Look, and what happened? He read the reply and sent it to you because you are the one that reported it. But this level of lies is something that I don't understand why you think you can feed on that and hide on that. It's not possible. Listen.
We send your voice.
We send the voice, okay.
Why you get that voice in China?
Did he say we? Let me wait. Did she say we? Listen.
Our angel, you go Butuzor.
Okay.
We send your voice.
For we. Listen, underline the word we.
Why you get that voice?
I get a driver. You and who? Because this kaba is everywhere. I can't get it.
China. Because with anger. You only when my own on this condition on my now any the muddy proof more with anger. Then for me to maintain your
for you to maintain the Hopatobeku, we get contact the men on ground. That's number one thing, Okuru. Stay away. Did you maintain that? First thing, Hopatobeku, before all this don't stop. Don't do this. Did you do that? Did you actually do that? You can answer that, isn't it? Did you? Now they send the angel send it to we. But are you getting that thing? Guinea man, listen.
Always say that always joke that now angel anyway they are no. And that voice.
Now, after she said she got it a day or 2 days before Eggman published it, because there's a video that this we gang did, and that video they said this: we are not. They started preaching for peace again after listening to the audio from the person, from the source who sent it to them, and they want to maintain at peace. All these months, the same gang of we that she's talking about are the one telling you that they have to form CRC. The same gang that read chatter. The same gang that have been in USB and been in fallback and fallback deep. They are the one not having direct contact to the source, the BLA general. The reason why we, like me, I cannot analyze that video now. There's so many things that has to do with that video that going through that lens, we not only trigger a lot of things, because that audio, that message, honestly, a lot is hidden in that message. So many things to talk about in that message, and I don't think it is healthy to talk about. That's why it is good because those things started from somewhere, and people who started it are still here. They need to come if they want to make peace, if they want to iron things together. No matter how they want it, it should be between them first, not people from outside like me. I cannot just throw myself and begin to analyze it. But why I'm picking on this main video of this woman is for you to know enablers around that pretend to be in all this is her video here. The person in question that caused this issue is that somebody is missing, isn't it? Did she actually condemn the missing of the person, or at least seek for his life? Not at all. There is what concerns her is what he said, what he told us, the reaction of people, and what we decided not to do. That nothing more. So Adam Dajan, Adam Bonin, Adam Demon, and all the rest of them. So this person's life now doesn't matter, isn't it? Oh, he's not Wajana. Now let's okay for the matter. Listen, pay attention. I keep on. Yeah.
We're going to talk about it.
Now, please let me remind you that you need to like this video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Subscribe to the channel, This is not to cause problem or promote violence. I don't do that. We don't support anybody to commit crime. Not at all. We are actually trying to let you know. Maka ndị ada ride on Chineke gozie gị n'ebe ife na-eme na Chineke akụkọ ụgwọ ya. That is ike gwụrụ some people. Ike gwụrụ ya ga-azụ. If you are tired, you go and relax. You are not being tied to this. Instead of you to hang around, keep on committing nuisance, causing problem here and there, why don't you just stay aside, relax, cool off, and think? Everything must not go through you. But some quitchery without us, the day cannot break. And
for we keep maintain this saga have a start again. Because there is no time when that anger, if if try to our angel to it, the saga will start again.
This woman, when some people who cannot think for themselves listen, watch this woman and listen to her, you think that yeah, that right on what you see is true. Yes. If you are that kind of person, you need to pray for wisdom, because you are lacking a lot. The reason is because this woman cannot do with that saga. Number one, go and watch her video. Go back to her channel before the declaration. Then watch her when matter that we issue about saga surfaced. Her channel always turn green light each time there's any saga. She is the one piloting it. Even if there's no saga, she will create one. That is how bad it is. She will create it. As you see many poor, this one cannot live with that saga. Not at all. That's why, in fact, she don't even know. Sometimes she's swimming in saga and think that she's analyzing. Look at, what are you actually talking about? What are you talking about? A saga that you started. The question is, where is the platform of CS to do saga with you? She don't even have the time. She call you individuals. This reflux. This just individual. That's the way she normally put it, just to describe people. And she don't have that time to beg or pay people to do it for people are talking because it is getting out of hand, not because they are speaking for her. That is just the fact. People are talking because it's getting out of hand. You know your contribution. You know how you started the saga, that you are trying to, paint it as if nothing is there. We know how you started it. You know that you can't do without it. And the worst part of it is that when you are doing your own saga, you always cross boundaries. So many boundaries in on a movement. And they make a happy link here to Boko Haram and the rest of them. In that position on the movement, your video not one, not two, not three, not four. So if there's anything about Oba is going through based on what you that have worked with Oba and people that have been with Oba have done, you are the only one to single out here. Oginkere have not called COS Ndoyo. You get the point? You planted that kind of talk in the mouth of Eggman. I don't think Eggman have actually said that. Maybe Sia have not said it, but somehow linking his statement to the same thing with the United. But you are the architect of that. Upon all the things that you have said, you see that in Kobuni where you put the Kumakan. Yeah, but if there's anything about is being questioned about what the activities of people that have worked with him in the past, you cannot exonerate yourself from that, because you are one out of many people that you can suspect. You alone.
And many people use it, and our angel, those guys is very precious to me. And I never them against them. I didn't joy. So for me to avoid that, I just ignore the voice. Let me hope because now you wouldn't when you can say anything. Let me show you people something, because and when you can say, I'll claim one edge the voice, I'll claim one edge the voice. Let me show you people the voice. This is my phone. Jimmy in my life. The number outside. I want to show you people something very important.
She want to tell you that the number and the NJC not the outside, not between you and them. Then are you defense secretary or the, have you? What is the link between you and this engine? PM said, stay away from it. That was the issue between Ewooh people, if you can remember. It's part of the issue. Madam Azuka is the one contacting them before. So now, you, what's your position in cabinet that warrant you to have contact with angels? But okay, claim now that my number is social media that angels called me. If through you are working with government, once then they called you, called your name, you are now in a position to link them to the people that is in charge from the government, but you did not. What did you do? You need a claim, and again, I find you care for them. Since you started caring for them and started communicating with them, decision from angels has changed. Don't you think so? Like I said, I cannot go deeper. I'm just trying to let people know on this woman, not about angel or about what the Butuzor said, anything and all. So let us just hang. Let us just wait. And she said, telling that the anger, the way they were. Okay, let us hear the reason with that anger. Are you angry because somebody is missing, or you're angry that they questioned the camp, or are you angry because the general name is mentioned, or are you angry because COS is being mentioned? I want to know the source of your anger so that we cannot know where you stand. Even though I already know, but let it come from you.
Voice messages given to show you people that need me. And because of I swallow it. Open now, one, and I search on you. Original voice. Mix. I receive it well. The before yesterday. I didn't surprise yesterday night. I'm only also this voice.
Liars. Now I'm not using this voice. You know. And you are the one that sent it to the person. I believe this is my own opinion, please. My opinion is you are the one that sent it to the person. Don't link it to Butuzor. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Because I'm trying to make sure that everything is well, fixed the way it's supposed to be. You are the one that sent it to Eggman that played it for the first time. You shared it because to you now, this is very, very explosive. And Eggman, as a stubborn man who have been looking for something to use against USB, against US. The question is, the person that sent it to you, send it to you for a reason, best known to you. This is not to attack the person. I'm not here to attack Butuzor or to analyze what he said. I don't even wish anybody to buy. That is why each time I hear somebody is missing, because this is not what it's supposed to be. That is just a fact. It's not what it's supposed to be. The thing is that some of us are overreacting. Some of us are, fixing our mind in such a way that once your brother is saying or doing what you don't like, the only thing that will come to your mind is to go after his, which is wrong. That is my concern. When Holy Ghost, when it was reported that Holy Ghost is normal, some people who claim that Holy Ghost have been working with them Like you were happy when the Holy Ghost was attacking USB. Even though when he started, when you were with USB, you are against Holy Ghost. When you shifted, Holy Ghost become a friend. But in as much as I don't believe what Holy Ghost was saying about USB, personally, I cannot tell you that I feel happy hearing that news. It is terrible. That's my own belief. I don't think it is a good idea to have somebody that is your brother who believe in A or want to, he believe that people should be awake at night, and I believe people should be awake daytime. You see, different opinion, different belief. It doesn't warrant taking people's life or kidnapping people or taking people, buying people and all that. It doesn't warrant that. And I don't want to believe like DOS people have rumoring it. Oh, Samanaba boys are kidnapping. Oh, Samanaba boys are buying people. They are the cause of insecurity. Those things to me is nonsense. I don't believe that. So seeing somebody who is your brother, okay, hearing that another brother is responsible for his one or two things that has to do with the person, it is not something that anybody can be proud of. None of you have actually comment or react, or since you are good in analyzing everything, when did you analyze the death of Holy Ghost? You kept quiet. You did not say anything. Like I said, all this thing is I want to know why. Now we then do ourselves. You want freedom, right? Why don't you just focus on the freedom? Why must you support this one and think that you use this one to fight this one? Anybody doing that, you are not in for anything freedom. You are just an enabler. That's just a fact. Now,
the person I thinking can see we think which I don't blame.
The person I think yes, we think actually why don't you mention the person? Because all of us know the person is Eggman. He's the one that released it. Like me, the one I watched from him. Now, to clarify something that, like my thinking, that you are the one that sent it to him, you are here saying that which you don't blame him. You don't blame him, right? Because you don't want to be the one to release it first, so that people will not think that you receive it first.
Person will betrayal. I don't blame him because now our angel will try the whole Biafra.
Then why don't you play it when you receive it first? Since you didn't blame, but you are happy that the other person have done it because you want to cover yourself, to threat yourself. I told us this woman is one of the major problems. Serious one. Listen.
No need. Man, on the situation I know now. If I'm mother, Ngozi Cholo, this kind of thing, saga. I like it. So.
Saga, can you family get you jump off from being Ada Jan, Ada make people na go for na to kiss a baby? Why are you now the one? Why are you now the middle man between Biafrans and the Liberation Army? When did you who put you there? Who appointed you to that? Who elects you to that position? How did you get the number? Even if the army are the one that contacts you, what you have done is, okay, my brother, talk to this person. If they have an issue, you should be the one to be a mediator. But what did you do? You begin to remember. You told people, I for one, when Butuzor received money, he told you this is and you said that the money is too small. You are the one discouraging him. Then you send it to me. So all this thing is just, I don't know what you want to achieve. I don't know. Do you actually want their life? Because if you want to protect them, you should cannot go through this way you are going. Honestly. These are volunteers that have sacrificed a lot. I'm not in support of anybody ignoring them. I'm not in support of them ignoring the government. Because we are all one, Igbo people, than France. You should also do what? Understand what it takes. But the way it is now, you guys are helping the US full time without knowing. Some of you are doing it without knowing, but knowing or unknowingly, you know your role. You know you are doing what you are doing. Whether you are this or that, some of you are doing what you are doing, helping the US to sabotage the Biafran Liberation Army. Because all the crime going on even in Nigeria, GS want to let you know that it's Biafran Liberation Army that the world doing it, which is a lie from pit of hell. I keep on saying that. How can you ignore Ebubago? Ebubago's job to talk about Biafran Liberation Army. It's funny. And this woman is the one causing problem to the people that are with USB, people that are with Biafran Liberation Army. You are the one planting problem, telling them, feeding fake information to them, telling them that don't ask, because that thing that you told me about the money that they're supposed to buy, this money is for them to buy beans and send people to go and grind the beans in the machine and prepare that beans for moi or akara. You told them that this money how much so they don't know how much they're selling paint of beans or bag of beans. How can they give you such an amount of money without waiting for them to complain that this money is not enough? You are the one telling them, reminding them that money is not enough. You say that to my hearing, and that is where my conclusion comes from. I don't know your problem, and you keep on, because I'm saying this because you are here trying to act as if you don't bother about saga. You are this, my dear. Be truthful to yourself. It's not about saga. I don't wish anybody bad. Even you, I don't wish you bad. I don't wish that you pine or anything like anybody. I don't. The time, even if you don't like me, I like many people don't. I also have people that I don't like, but I cannot come out and tell you that I'm calling for your, or even publicly or secretly. I don't wish anybody to buy, like, especially buying, so that people who hated me and you will laugh us. If you don't know, if people hate you, DOS hate Biafran Liberation Army full time. It's not hidden. They don't like them. They will do everything to paint them bad so that it will turn against them. So I assume they plant you inside. Your job is to feed the Biafran Liberation Army with false information so that they can now step back and begin to see their brothers as their enemy. And their brother will begin to wish them to buy courtesy of your presence. Since you started communicating with them, like I said, I cannot talk about the audio now. I may talk about it later, but it's not going to be now. I may not. But the only thing I'm trying to say is this. Ask yourself, since you started communicating with them, of what good have they become in terms of communication between them and their friends that actually contributed the money? If the issue is that the USB government is not giving them money, when you talked to me, you did not say that. Rather, you emphasize that the money is not enough. And you relate that to the people. That is why I said you are passing negative energy to them. Very, very bad. And that is why if you cannot, I'm not saying this for you to change because you are unchangeable until maybe spring power can do that to change you, to touch your heart, so you can now stay away from them. Let them, these are grown-up men, they know what they want, I believe. The danger is when Biafran Liberation Army begin to see Biafrans as their enemy, and then Biafrans begin to see them as their enemy. That is my fear. And you don't see that. You are here talking about, you went away, you will all go across. So how you want people to believe you? In fact, this video is getting too long. Like, I'm trying my best. I don't think I will analyze all these things that you said here. I will just round up any moment from now. But please, before you go, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about all we have discussed. Let me repeat myself. This is not a saga. I'm not here to run saga on anybody. I'm here to remind us what you're supposed to do. It's not even only about why he's such a here. It's about even you that are watching. In your only two way, what are you doing? Are you one of those that will hear from Okeke and go and tell Okeke what Okafor said and copy it, what Okafor said back to Okeke and stay wait to see the fight? Is that your job? If that is your job, you are as bad as why is Ocha here. There's no two ways about it. Whether you are in the cabinet, you're off cabinet, you are in the media, you are not media. Some of you, your own is to watch someone, watch the video, copy the message, tell the person negative about the video, and return back to the person that made the video and pass negative again to the person. Some of us don't have the grace to dictate it, to avoid it, to know what to say, what not to say. You understand? And some of us who have pure hearts, on attempt to advise your brother, they will paint it bad and say that you're attacking the person. We know all those things. I'm a victim of that. I know what I'm talking about.
And not likely, I won't know it was not your distractor. When I noticed the game on our Zoom, it was okay. I will never fall for this game again.
You did not notice this game November, January, November, December, January, February. It's late March, I think. You started kicking against government because you took this month to solidify your contacts and build people that can help you fight government back. And that is the issue. And you think that it's just like that. No. Retrieve your steps. You have done more harm than good, honestly. Not only you. And that's why I believed before, I used to believe that it could be because of your level of education, but it has nothing to do with education. Imam Madab is educated. Look at him. What is his role? Eggman somehow can read and write. Look at him. What is his role? You can see the people, you can see many of them. I have some names, but I don't want to call those ones. I want to call those that are on social media, in and out. But you understand what I'm talking about. Many people that BS, doctorate, professor, engineer, all of them, what have they done? Go and check their antecedents. You can tell that it's not about education. Not at all. It's about who you are. What made you who you are?
And thank God, Onyebucha Ashibrubi Mekodi came understand. I not only came understand.
Now, reason why I actually want this video to get this level for them to mention, for you have to mention these three people. Because when she said, we received the message from General, from Butuzor, we said that we are not going to. So when you are hearing that we, I told you, these are class of people who read charter, people who told you that people who have been in USB government fall back and fall deep now. So these are, she mentioned the names. So when you hear we with this, and she did not mention Eggman. Now, she later said, because Eggman is a different species from them. Eggman is coming from Ogekere camp. So they are somehow, they put him in a different level. But they are together though. But they pass the message to Eggman. Being Eggman and who don't normally hesitate, he published it with his this mockery, the way he mocked himself, laughing and all that. She's here telling you that Eggman was right. That the way he published it is okay. And in that audio, it was mentioned that they are passing this message for Biafrans to know. And let me not go there, because if going there now, I will begin to analyze the video itself. Anyway, please, I'm going to end it here because the video is too long. Not that we have finished it. We still have, I will just, what I will just discuss is 8-minute video of this woman, just to tell you how terrible. 8 minutes out of how many minutes in total? Out of 12 minutes, 5 seconds. We managed to talk, to discuss the video to 8 minutes and some seconds. So I'm going to end it here. Before you go, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know your take on all these things we've discussed so far. I would like to read your comments. God bless you and see you again. Take care.